right, congratulations Adam and Michelle. Orientation video on the Forest River Black Label Gray Wolf 23DBH-BL. Up front here, it has gone through the prep process. We have a little light, two 20-pound LP tanks, both full, 12-volt marine grade long cycle interstate battery behind it. Vehicle information, tire and loading information right over here. Your hot water heater, your cable connection, of course your stabilizer jack. Back here we have your fresh water connection, your city, your 30 amp plug-in, your light, your outdoor shower, and some storage underneath the bunk, quite a bit of storage. Storage rack, I think it's a 250-pound limit on that. Spare tire, backup camera, that syncs to your phone. Coming around, we have leash latch, second entry door with your bathroom. We'll go inside in a few. Outdoor speakers, plugs for television, spot to slide a TV up there. Outdoor kitchen, your fridge, sprayer, ice maker. And then we do have some storage up front here with a little light. Not quite full pass through, but almost. Solid steps coming in. So if you didn't have these on your last one, door just needs to be wide open. And then they click in. Fire extinguisher as we come in. So the big dinette, of course this turns into a bed. Storage underneath. We'll pull both of these out, and I'm gonna try to open every cabinet and drawer just to make sure everything's good. Fireplace, I'm just gonna turn this on real quick. Pretty, it's too hot in here though, so we're gonna turn it off. Stereo.
We get confused
Zone 1.
sisters all the time, but
Zone 2, so now it's also playing outside. Zone 1 is off, Zone 2 is on. Turn that off. Cool. Farm style sink, soap or hand sanitizer dispenser, your cutting board, which is magnetic to this back wall, 3-burner stovetop. Just gonna make sure we have gas and my guys did their job. Yep. Your fridge. Should be nice and cold. It is very cold. Freezer's even colder. Perfect, that's what we like. Back bathroom, your toilet, your tub style shower. Quite a bit of storage under the sink. Vanity, cabinet, quite a bit of storage again. There's your light, plugs. Up here, that's gonna be a twist to open, and then we can turn the fan on. It's on. And the really cool shower, don't forget that. Your bunks do have, they both have a pop light. So this in the center, if you push that, it's gonna on off. Plugs, two USB ports, 2 USB ports down here. Pantry storage, and a third one down low. This is gonna be your HVAC, so your AC, your heat, all of that stuff. So let me just turn that AC on, because it is kind of warm in here. All right. So I can dump it or I can send it through the unit. We'll send it through the unit. Lastly, I guess we'll go look up front. Closet, cabinet, same thing over there. Other side of the bed, your closet and your other cabinet. You do have plugins, USBs on both sides. That one there is also, you can order I believe it's a flashlight that plugs into that. If you have questions on that, let me know. We do have a skylight. Very cool feature. Yeah, that's gonna conclude your video. I'm gonna get this over to you. If you have any questions, let me know ahead of time. We'll get them addressed. Thanks, guys.